Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rise and Shine. Rise and Shine Java video series, Java video sessions. So, in last session, we have seen how to write Java program, how to save it, how to compile it, and how to run it using Notepad and command prompt. In today's session, we are going to see one dedicated IDE for Java. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which have so many tools for application development, so many tools and so many facility it provide, and it make programming and development a fun. So in this session, we are going to see one more such IDE to write the Java program. That IDE is Eclipse. So in last session, we have seen writing Java program using simple code editor like Notepad and using command prompt is great for simple programs such as Hello World or a factorial, finding a factorial, addition. So whatever the small programs, one class or two class, three class programs which contains three classes or two class, it is great using Notepad or any code editor such as Edit++ or Notepad++. But those tools are frustrating for larger programming projects because to writing a source code, we are using code editor. But to run, compile, we have to use again another tools. Means we have to switch between the windows, command prompt to Notepad, Notepad to again command prompt, save the code. So it is a bit frustrating when we are developing a large programming projects. So what is solution? Using a sophisticated IDE or even just a good dedicated code editor make coding development or, or debugging the program fun. Or using such dedicated integrated development environment, we can develop the application very smoothly and very easily. So in this session, we will see one such integrated development environment for Java programming or application development such as Eclipse. So to install this Eclipse on your machine, first you have to download that Eclipse. For downloading Eclipse, go to any web browser and simply type here Eclipse, ECLIPSE, Eclipse or Eclipse download. So very first site is www.eclipse.org. Click on it. So this is official website of Eclipse. So eclipse.org, download Eclipse technology, that is the right for you. So here this site is smart enough, so it identify your operating system, download 64-bit, install your favorite desktop IDE package, get Eclipse. So it will recommend you this other than this tool platform, but it identify and it recommend you this thing. So instead of going to download 64-bit, go to download packages, because it is important which flavor of Eclipse you are choosing. So when you go to this link, so many flavors of Eclipse you find here. So many flavors are there, such as Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developer, Eclipse IDE for C, C++, PHP, Eclipse IDE. So here you search for the download packages. You search here Java EE developer, Eclipse for Java EE developer, EE or enterprise developer. So go to this Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developer, and here you will find the Eclipse for different operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Coca, Linux. So many flavors are there. So Java EE IDE, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developer. Go to Windows 64-bit, click on it. Then all downloads are provided under the terms and condition of Eclipse Foundation Software User Agreement unless otherwise specified. So here you download from here. So here different download form are there. Taiwan Computer Center. You can select here from Author Mirror also. Or another things are there. So instead of this, go and click on download. So thank you for download it, and here one file is start downloading on your machine. So it will take some time depending on your machine configuration. So it will take time. Have a patience. One zip file is start downloading to your local file system. So it is downloading to our machine. Total 391 MB is a file size. So it is heavy file. It will take a couple of minutes to get downloaded to your system. So have a patience. So IDE means it is having so many facilities. So with that all facilities, Eclipse is downloaded to my local file system. So go to download folder. So here you find one zip file or WinRAR zip archive with 390 MB. So what is the next step? After downloading such zip file, simply right click on it and say extract here. Extract here. So for extraction also it is taking time. So for extraction, it also takes some time. After extraction, you will find such a folder. In same download folder, we have done extract here by right clicking. So you will find such a folder. Simply cut this folder and right location for this folder is C colon and paste it here. So copy that file or cut that folder from download, and here that Eclipse folder is pasted. I've copied it or cut it from download and pasted it in C colon. Open this folder and simply double click on this file, which is the file exe file .exe file. So simply double click on this exe file and Eclipse IDE is launch. See, it is Eclipse IDE 2020-06, which is the version number 2020-06. So Eclipse get launched. There is no need to install the Eclipse. Simply double click on that executable file and Eclipse will launch on your machine, and it is ready for doing the writing, executing, debugging the Java code. For first time, for launch also, it will take some time. Have patience. So after launch, it will show you such window, that is Eclipse IDE launcher. Select a directory as workspace. Workspace means Eclipse workspace means all our Java files, Java project related files and folder get stored in this workspace folder. So simply click here on launch. And again Eclipse is starting Eclipse IDE. One progress bar in green color is running here, just completing, which is launching. First time when you start a Eclipse, it will take time to launch also. It is starting, Eclipse is starting. So when Eclipse is launched successfully, it will show you such a window. IDE means so many facilities are available in single window. This is called as project window. This is the outline or task list. This is console. So currently there are no projects in your workspace. So to add the project, you can do these many projects. So my friend, this is all related about Eclipse. That is how to install Eclipse on our machine. How to do the projects using this Eclipse IDE or programs we'll see in next session. So hope guys, this installation is informative for you people. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Rise and Shine. So keep watching, keep learning. Till time, bye bye.